As one of the leading manufacturers of wind energy converters, Enercon offers products and services to support the implementation of a wide variety of wind energy projects in all parts of the world. Enercon's range of standard products starts at the smallest wind turbine with a rated power of 330 kilowatts and goes all the way up to 7.5 megawatts. Certain turbine types are designed especially for high to medium wind speeds, and towers are available in numerous variations made from steel or precast concrete and can reach a hub height of up to 138 meters. Excellent yield is thus guaranteed at any site. For inland sites, greater hub height alone ensures a substantial increase in yield, and frequently this is the deciding factor for the implementation of wind farm projects. Closer to the ground, trees and other obstacles increase roughness. This causes turbulence, which in turn leads to considerable energy loss. For sites with great terrain roughness, Enercon's 138-meter tower is the ideal choice. Any turbulence occurs far below the rotor blades and does not affect yield. The innovative drive system with few rotating components ensures nearly friction-free energy flow. The modular design of the main carrier, rotor and stator of the annular generator, which is directly connected to the rotor hub as a fixed unit without gears, is a characteristic feature of the Enercon system. The rotor unit is mounted on a fixed axle, the so-called axle pin. Compared to conventional geared systems that have a large number of bearing points in a moving drivetrain, Enercon's drive system manages with only 2 slow-moving roller bearings because of the low direct drive speed. Mechanical stress, operating and maintenance costs are reduced, and the system's service life is increased. Today, all Enercon wind energy converters are based on the company's tried and tested turbine concept. Over the past years, new system generations have evolved through constant sophistication of existing components, providing customers with state-of-the-art products. Enercon installations feature a grid management system that meets the latest grid connection requirements and can therefore easily be integrated in any supply and distribution structures. Enercon's concept offers solutions such as reactive power management and voltage control for normal operation, as well as for critical situations resulting from grid short circuits or bottlenecks. Wind turbine behavior is today essentially comparable to conventional power plants. Enercon is the first manufacturer worldwide to have received a certificate confirming these power plant properties. Enercon wind turbines are operated with a special storm control feature. Storm control enables reduced wind turbine operation in the event of extremely high wind speeds and prevents the otherwise typical shutdowns and resulting yield losses. This is achieved by pitching the rotor blades slightly out of the wind, rather than shutting down automatically. Once the wind speed drops, the blades turn back into the wind and the wind turbine immediately resumes operation at full output. Enercon's company strategy is based on innovation and quality leadership. Close communication between the various departments contributes to optimizing all processes, from the design stages to the operating phase. The aim is to develop and establish further company expertise. Highly developed vertical integration provides Enercon with the necessary flexibility and independence during the production phase. Moreover, in-house development and manufacturing of all key components, such as rotor blades, annular generators, grid management systems, and steel and precast concrete towers, ensures that Enercon is able to monitor each individual production stage. Enercon rotor blades are manufactured with a vacuum infusion process using the sandwich method. Glass fiber mats placed in the mold are vacuum impregnated with resin via a pump and a hose system. This method eliminates air pockets in the laminate. In order to efficiently protect the rotor blade surface against weather elements such as wind and water, against UV radiation and erosion and bending loads, the rotor blade finish applies a protection system including gel coat, filler, edge protection and top coat. Enercon only uses solvent-free two-component polyurethane compounds in the entire system. Within Enercon's gearless system design, the annular turbine generator is of primary importance. Combined with the rotor hub, it provides an almost frictionless flow of energy, while the gentle running of fewer moving components guarantees minimal material wear. Unlike conventional asynchronous generators, the Enercon annular generator is subjected to minimal mechanical wear, which makes it ideal for particularly heavy loads and a long service life. At Enercon, the copper winding of the stator, the stationary part of the annular generator, is done manually. In spite of increasing automation in other manufacturing areas, preference has been given to manual labor in this case for good reason. It ensures that the materials used are fully tested. The magnetic field of the stator winding is excited via so-called pole shoes. These are located on the disc rotor, the mobile part of the Enercon annular generator. Since the shape and position of the pole shoes have a decisive influence on the generator's noise emission, Enercon's Research and Development Department has dedicated particular attention to this aspect. The result? Improved adaptation of the pole shoes to the slow rotation of Enercon's annular generator means that it's completely silent. To complement their generator production, Enercon opened its own choke manufacture in Aurich in 2009. The chokes are the same for all wind energy converter types. However, the number of chokes changes depending on the turbine type. Enercon wind turbines are equipped with state-of-the-art microelectronic control technology developed in-house. The main processing unit, the central element of Enercon's control system, constantly collects information from the peripheral control elements such as the yaw control and active pitch control systems, thus ensuring that Enercon wind turbines achieve maximum output under all weather conditions. The control cabinets are designed in a modular way so that they can be configured for each individual use case and can be optimized via project-specific applications. A state-of-the-art testing facility underlines Enercon's commitment to quality in all aspects of production. Only this way can engineers implement targeted improvements to the manifold parameters and verify new approaches to problem solving. The load dynamic design of materials and structure used in Enercon towers provide the best conditions for transport, installation and use. Over and above the binding national and international norms, for example DIN and Eurocode, Enercon sets its own standards which surpass quality and safety norms. Faced with the challenge of transporting and installing steel towers in the multi-megawatt class of wind turbines, Enercon's steel tower design has proven to be the long-term solution, both on the production and the economic level. Enercon's precast concrete tower sections are manufactured entirely in the precasting plant. The strength of the Enercon precast concrete towers is achieved by using a specially developed pre-stressed steel reinforcement technique. The individual tower sections and the foundation are assembled to form an inseparable unit with pre-stressing cables running through jacket tubes in the core of the concrete tower wall. Specially constructed steel molds assure manufacturing precision for each individual concrete section. This manufacturing process minimizes dimensional tolerances, which assures a high degree of fitting accuracy. Here again, Enercon's Quality Assurance Department carries out strict inspections. Detailed procedural and work instructions are available for each manufacturing sector. This ensures that each individual manufacturing stage, as well as the materials used, can be completely retraced. Enercon is already present in the main international markets with many production plants and has a globally decentralized service and sales network. The company's production area worldwide already adds up to more than 463,000 square meters. In line with its vertical integration strategy, Enercon established the GZO, the Gusszentrum Ostfriesland GmbH, in mid-2009. With this new sophisticated foundry, Enercon now has exclusive possibilities to manufacture its key components such as the axle pin, blade adapter, rotor hub and main carrier. Due to its high strength, spheroidal graphite cast iron is especially suited for the wind turbine's cast parts. Comprehensive quality management ensures that the same stringent Enercon quality standards are met in all plants. Quality management is based on certification according to ISO 9001-2008. Since 1994, Enercon's quality management has been certified according to ISO 9001. The appropriate test procedures are used at all serial production sites worldwide. Enercon guarantees that both its products and its services are produced in accordance with the ISO 14001 Environmental Management Standard. Occupational health and safety is very important for Enercon. For this reason, the company's integrated management system is continuously being expanded, particularly in this area. The name Enercon not only stands for innovative wind energy technology, but also for comprehensive planning support when it comes to the implementation of wind farm projects worldwide. International sales are organized into regions which often have their own local offices. In order to provide customers with the best possible care and support from the quotation phase to contract signature, their staff members are for the most part local nationals. All sales team members have comprehensive local knowledge, in particular of all relevant laws and regulations, and are naturally well informed about the local climate. As a result, customers worldwide can rely on comprehensive, competent service, whether for an individual installation or for a large-scale turnkey project. The Enercon site assessment experts analyze every wind location in accordance with locally applicable laws and regulations. As a first step, they identify which area has good potential for wind energy generation. After that, the location's wind quality is determined by carrying out measurements, obtaining expert reports, or collecting experience values from wind energy converters nearby. A computer program generates a forecast of the expected yield. Based on the data collected, Enercon's experts establish the optimal configuration of wind turbines for the project. Once all necessary permits have been granted and the financing is in place, the project moves into the implementation phase. Enercon's project managers coordinate all construction work and support the customer with selecting contractors for building roads and crane platforms, foundations, cabling and electrical works, as well as with ordering the installation of telephone lines to be used for remote site monitoring later on. If desired, Enercon also offers complete turnkey solutions. Once the wind turbine has been successfully installed and is running, Enercon service teams ensure trouble-free operation. In accordance with the company's commitment to speedy service through local presence, more than 2,500 employees worldwide provide fast turnaround for wind turbine maintenance and servicing. This local presence means short travel times for service technicians and minimizes machine downtimes. Over the last years, Enercon's wind energy converters achieved an average technical availability of more than 98.5%. A well-coordinated dispatch team is another important factor for efficient field service organization. Enercon has more than 500 employees coordinating global service operations from both a technical and commercial point of view. Each customer has a designated point of contact in their service center. Every Enercon wind turbine has a modem link to the remote data monitoring facility. If a wind turbine signals malfunction, the service center and the service branch in charge are notified via the Enercon SCADA remote monitoring system. Using a specially developed locating system, the deployment planning program automatically locates the service team that's closest to the wind turbine. Local service teams are able to access all turbine-specific documents and data via a direct data link to the service center, ensuring that all maintenance is dealt with as quickly and efficiently as possible. The Service Info Portal (SIP) allows Enercon customers to easily access all information concerning their own wind energy converters over the Internet, at any time and from anywhere in the world. All they need is a computer with a web browser and an Internet connection. SIP's easy-to-use menus provide customers with quick and easy access to all wind turbine data. Enercon's partner concept, EPK, guarantees consistently high wind energy converter availability for the duration of the contract, with calculable operating costs for the customer. From servicing to safety inspections, maintenance and repairs, all eventualities are covered by one single contract. Guaranteeing a high value for money and comprehensive service, the EPK has long since become an acknowledged Enercon quality feature. More than 90% of national and international customers have signed an EPK agreement. Enercon's independent achievements show the great capacity that people and technological innovation have to safeguard the future of our environment. Clean drinking water, sustainable energy and the preservation of our culture are essential for mankind. Aware of this global importance, Enercon is committed to accelerating the availability and use of renewable energy technology worldwide.